You get me? Feel special because we're gonna have a draw and chill day. So this is the second video. So it's just again another motivation to put your line mileage in. Put the line mileage in. You got goals to hit. You got imagination in your head that you wanna articulate on a page, on animation. Maybe you wanna do your own animation series, and you know you gotta bang out the anatomy, you gotta bang out whatever. Line mileage, let's go, man. Draw with me. That's what we're gonna be doing. So draw with me like that, innit? Look at that. That looks, you get me out? You get me? Look at that. Jeez, nice. That's nice, man. That's nice. I like it. So yeah, so let's go. Let's start something new. This year I wanna focus on, you know, doing cleaner images. You know, that's what I'm trying to really focus on, to be honest with you. And with that being said, that's what we're gonna go through today. So don't pressure yourself with I've got to do it in the first go.